In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order and pay on the AliExpress app. So if you're working on perfecting your online shopping skills, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, you want to open your AliExpress app. It's a treasure trove of products from all around the world, and if you haven't used it before, you'll soon see why it's so popular. Once you're on the home screen of the app, you're going to want to head straight into the Home and Garden category. This is where you'll find an array of items to spruce up your living space or garden area. Next, go ahead and choose a subcategory. Maybe you're searching for decorative items or functional pieces, but for today's example, let's aim for something aesthetic and select wall art. It's a fantastic option if you're considering adding a touch of personality to your walls. After selecting your category and browsing through the options, you'll land on an item that catches your eye. Let's say it's a stunning piece of wall art, perfect for your home. Click on the item to view more details. A tip here: always check the item details, customer reviews, and seller ratings. These help assure the quality and reliability of your purchase. Once you've settled on a specific piece, say a 30x40cm unframed print, it's time to make an action move and click on Buy Now. This will direct you towards the purchase page where you can take a closer look at the payment options. Now, selecting a mode of payment is your next step. AliExpress offers a range of choices from credit cards to online banking options, so choose your preferred method. If you're using a card, you'll be required to enter your card details, including the number, expiration date, and CVV code. Make sure your details are entered accurately to prevent any issues at checkout. Once your payment details are successfully input, take a moment to double check everything. If all looks good, click on Save and Confirm. This ensures your payment information is stored securely for quicker transactions in the future. Now, with everything set, the final step is placing your order. By clicking on Place Order, you confirm your purchase and your order then begins processing. Voila, your item is on its way to you. After ordering, you can track its progress through the app to see when it will arrive. There you have it, a straightforward guide to ordering and paying on the AliExpress app. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy shopping!